Hello and welcome everyone. Chia seeds are among the healthiest foods on the planet. They're loaded with nutrients that can have important benefits for your body and brain. They are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, rich in antioxidants, and they provide fiber, iron, and calcium. Omega-3 fatty acids help raise HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol that protects against heart attack and stroke. Chia is an edible seed that comes from the desert plant Salvia hispanica, grown in Mexico dating back to Mayan and Aztec cultures. Chia means strength, and folklore has it that these cultures used the tiny black and white seeds as an energy booster. Benefits: 1. Chia seeds deliver a massive amount of nutrients with very few calories. Despite their ancient history as a dietary staple, chia seeds became recognized as a modern-day superfood only recently. In the past few years, they have exploded in popularity and are now consumed by health-conscious people all over the world. A 1 ounce, 28 grams, serving of chia seeds contains fiber, 11 grams, protein, 4 grams, fat, 9 grams, 5 of which are omega-3s, calcium, 18% of the RDI, manganese, 30% of the RDI, magnesium, 30% of the RDI, phosphorus, 27% of the RDI. They also contain a decent amount of zinc, vitamin B3, niacin, potassium, vitamin B1, thiamine, and vitamin B2. This is particularly impressive considering that this is just a single ounce, equaling 28 grams or about 2 tablespoons. This small amount supplies only 137 calories and 1 gram of digestible carbohydrate. 2. Weight loss. Foods that are high in fiber help people to feel full for longer, and they are usually lower in calories. Increased fiber intake and a high fiber diet have been shown to help with weight loss. Chia seeds contain nearly 5 grams of fiber per tablespoon, and their high levels of omega-3 fatty acids and alpha-linoleic acid may be useful for weight loss. The seed can also be consumed as a gel when mixed with water. This causes it to digest more slowly in the body, potentially preventing hunger for a longer period. 3. Digestion and detox. A diet with adequate fiber prevents constipation and promotes regularity for a healthy digestive tract. Regular bowel movements are crucial for the daily excretion of toxins through the bile and stool. 4. Chia seeds are high in quality protein. Chia seeds contain a decent amount of protein. By weight, they're about 14% protein, which is very high compared to most plants. They also have a good balance of essential amino acids, so your body should be able to make use of their protein content. Protein has various health benefits and is by far the most weight loss-friendly dietary nutrient. A high protein intake lowers appetite and has been shown to reduce obsessive thoughts about food by 60% and the desire for nighttime snacking by 50%. Chia seeds are not only rich in nutrients, omega-3 fat, antioxidants and fiber, but also easy to prepare. People commonly add them to their porridge or smoothies. If you don't eat chia seeds already, you should definitely consider adding them to your diet.